Hello and welcome to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. My name is Evan, and on today's episode we're going to be working on the 350Z again. See, she's right behind me. Me and Lucas have been doing some reading up on the forums about the 350Zs. Luckily enough, our two 350Zs came with VLSDs. However, for what we're going to be using it for, road/drift cars, that's just not good enough. And with the date coming very soon of June the 7th, it's coming very quickly. Knowing that the LSD will eventually start to heat up and stop locking and basically give us an open diff, it's a no-go anymore for us. We can't do that. So our plan of action is we're going to jack my baby up, get her ready, get her on some stands, get the prop shafts off, get the drive shaft off, unbolt her, clean her up, and we're going to weld this diff. I know it's a VLSD and people will be like, ah, what a waste of a VLSD. It's so hard to find an open diff in Ireland or the UK. I've been looking and searching and I can't find one. And a automatic diff for a 350Z, which is actually really good for drifting. It's like €500-600. We just can't push the budget there this time. If you've seen some of the parts we put in, I guess you guys will start to understand what we mean. There's a lot more coming, a lot more content for you guys, that means. Very exciting stuff. This video might be a little longer because we'll be welding my diff and Lucas's diff in the same video. Yeah, because what's the point of making you guys watch the same thing twice, you know? Let's do it. Before we get started with welding the diff, please go down and hit the like button. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm and pushes us out further to new potential subscribers. And if you're there and you haven't already subscribed, please hit subscribe and join the Dub Monkey squad by hitting that notification bell. Thank you very much. Now, let's get on with the video and crack that diff off. Let's go. So I'm gonna need my torch, my magnetic torch, and I'm gonna grab this boogie board. What you see versus what she sees. Not the worst I've seen. And the drive shaft in the 350Z is actually carbon fiber. How cool is that? Yeah, no, it's like the weirdest angle ever. Okay, so I have everything lined up. So we need a 14mm. Preferably with this kind of a head. We need a 17mm, preferably with this head also, and then I've also grabbed a 12mm. So the 17 should be for the mounts, the 14 should be for the shafts, and yeah, I need a 14 spanner as well. If the video I've been following is correct, this should be everything that you need. Yeah. Oh, and a bottle of WD. And be cautious and just have some extra tools. So let's get under. I'm gonna bring this extra light as well. Boom. Other than my handheld one. Let's go. I'm gonna pop you guys in here. Lubing up all the bolts, nuts. Yeah, always lube up your nuts before you stick your nuts in. Yeah, that's not what the saying goes. Right, let me see now. I'm probably gonna do a poll on Instagram later or something like that and see how many of you guys think I should sand back the housing of the diff and paint it black. And by the time you see this video, obviously the choice will be made, but it's more of an incentive for you guys. So do go and follow us on Instagram. We will be posting polls and questions on there, just kind of like getting your guys' input on the cars, and you know, getting you guys more involved in the process. And if you have any cool cars, do send us photos or videos on our Instagram, and you should maybe see them in the end clips of some of the videos.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
2 drive shafts are out. No, 2 prop shafts are out. 1 drive shaft out. And I'm going to take the speed sensors out. I'm going to use a Phillips head to pop those out. So I'm just grabbing that here now. And once the speed sensors are out, should be alright, I'd say. To take the remaining 3 bolts out, all 17mm. And then we should be good to go. And I think we may have a special guest joining us.
Yo, back in the Dub Monkey garage. My name is Lucas, and I'm again in the same spot. Doing some funky dancing here in the garage. Now, rule number 1, make sure you have your side mount when you work in the garage. Rule number 2, stay hydrated.
Okay guys, we took a pause there for a little minute. I cracked the rest of the bolts on the bottom, and now it is time to let the diff finally down. So I'm just going to set you guys up. Hopefully you get a good view of this, and we should be getting the diff out very shortly. Brake! Brake! Okay, brake!
I think he has it. I think he has it if he can break it. Spin, did it?
Fucking Bowie.
Now let down. Down the whole way.
Yeah.
Hey.
Now pull it out.
Hey, boy! This is out. Jesus, that's like fucking truck, man. Woohoo! This is how we do it. This is how we do it. Dun, 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 dun.
Today we're going to be working on Lucas's 350. Don't you do that, it'll light you on fire, you stupid cunt. Hey guys, how's it going? We have both of the diffs out now. We'll just give you a little preview of some of the little details that are slightly different. So on my 350Z, the VLSD has all these extra fins underneath, and it also had a heat shield, so it would dissipate heat a little better, and that's how it looks on the inside. Hope you can see that clearly enough. And then we'll rock onto Lucas's Fair Lady. So again,
She's a fair lady, isn't she?
we're really not sure now
Fair
what
Lady.
this came off. Oh, my Fair Lady.
She came off the Fair Lady, man. All the way from Japan, Tokyo.
And if you look inside, it's pretty much the same. We're not sure about the gearing ratio, but we're not going to take the risk on this one.
Unless someone can tell us, you know, it says...
I mean, if they can tell us, it's way too late. We've already welded it. Do you know what I mean?
K14 on the top case, you know, of the differential. And there's some random numbers here as well. 43. And I don't know, man, but I think that it looks to me like it is an LSD as well. It's just the casing are a little bit different, you know, because maybe they probably two different models. His one is 350Z performance model, I think. Like I was saying when I was researching about all the add-ons, that he has the GT one, yeah.
GT
and
Nismo.
This one is just a basic, you know, basic JDM style, you know, fair lady. So yeah, everything's working, everything's cleaned up, guys. Now,
no fins on this one, you see. So that's just the slight difference of it.
Yeah.
And mine has this weird hang down nipple on the bottom. I'm not sure what that's about. Could be for jacking, I don't know. And this one doesn't. There's just the slight differences between them. We're not really sure much else about them, other than that we're going to weld both of them anyway.
100%. It's happening in the next couple of hours.
Yeah.
So
she's going slideways.
So we'll see you guys in the morning. Take care.
Oh, she's skipping. It's skipping. First test drive of it. Funky noises. Funky noises. Alright, we have no seatbelt clips, so this is what we're doing. Sounds like someone's shaking a bag of bolts on one side. Right, we're gonna bring it back in. It's my first test drive of it. Legit first test drive. It definitely is welded. That side sounds weird, so I'm gonna double check it. We're gonna bring Jacob for a little spin. Let's go!
Oh.